Now, Uisce Éireann has announced that a hosepipe ban is being extended for 13 counties in the south and east till the end of September. However, the water conservation order will be lifted for the rest of the country from Wednesday.
Parched soil in the south and east, greener scenes in the north and west, and that divide is reflected in today's announcement. The hosepipe ban will be lifted from this Wednesday, the 26th of August, in Cavan, Clare, Donegal, Galway, Kerry, Leitrim, Longford, Louth, Mayo, Monaghan, Roscommon, Sligo and Westmeath. But that order will be extended to the end of September for the following 13 counties: Carlow, Cork, Dublin, Kildare, Kilkenny, Laois, Limerick, Meath, Offaly, Tipperary, Waterford, Wexford and Wicklow.
In the north and west there has been quite significant rainfall and raw water storage levels have recovered very well. Unfortunately, however, in the south and east of the country, like Dublin, Wexford, Kildare and right down to Cork, our groundwater, our lake water and our river water just isn't where it needs to be.
Meath Éireann says significant rain is expected this week. But in some areas the soil is so dry it will take more rain and more time to replenish water supplies.
In much of Munster and Leinster, we are going to see some significant rain and showers over the next week or so, but it is going to take time for the moisture levels to recover in the soils.
A water conservation order is not just about hosepipes.
If they can avoid washing their cars, avoid washing boats, avoid paddling pools, all those types of non-essential things, it can make a huge difference.
You can see here behind me at Roundwood Reservoir in County Wicklow how far the levels have fallen. There's ground behind me here that should be metres below water. It'll take more than a few weeks' rain to get this back to normal levels. Colman O'Sullivan, RTE News.